Come on, let's find them. So excited! We're going for our very first harvest ever! Yay! All right, let's see. My family's not as excited, but we are. Okay, wait. Are you ready though? Let's do it. Come on. We're getting our first little squash. Oh, that one is actually a little too old. We missed that little guy, our little bowling pin, but we're gonna take this one. Our very first little baby. Wiggy, so cute. Woo! All right. Okay, now I'm gonna go pick this giant little squash over here. Ooh. Ooh-wee, she's big. He's big. Yay! This little guy. Talk about a calabasa. And this guy's not yet ready. We got another giant one in here. I'm super excited about that one. Get in here. And we just turn. Look at that! Look at how big he is! He's so cute. All right, we gotta look under the leaves to see if any other are ready. All right, we love this plant. This one's looking good. Need to pinch off that one little guy. All right, let's look at our other guys. That one's looking really good. Not yet ready. Gotta look under the leaves. All right. And those little bowling pins. This one's looking really good, but still a little small. I don't know. I kind of feel like this guy's ready.
Do you see how big that other one got?
Yeah, but it just got fatter. We don't really know, but they say once it's 4 inches, it's big enough. And I think in terms of this cultivar, oh, we've got a really interesting little bug in there. I think in terms of this cultivar, it's actually, yeah, a really interesting little guy on there. Probably should get rid of him. I want to pinch him, but I'm not wearing anything. Oh, I think it's actually 2 stink bugs having relations right now. So, good to know that they are having a little mating season next to our zucchini. All right, so I think I'm gonna leave that guy for another day or 2. Let's go see if we have anything else that's ready. Oh, it's hot out here in Houston, Lord Jesus. Let's see if we have any baby watermelons trying to come up. We're looking for a little bulb on, so that doesn't look like it's there. Now let's see in here. I know a lot of people's watermelons are coming up already, but we had irrigation issues, so ours aren't yet ready just yet. Oh, we also do have some amazing bee balm already, so maybe we'll get that right now. Look at this amazing bee balm. This is Nature's Pizza right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just, I don't have my clippers with me because I thought I was just getting the zucchini. So we're gonna take some before they really just start dying. And we'll use that on for our food tonight. These are really delicious, actually. Actually, I might just go ahead and take them all and go ahead and dry them. I'm not quite sure if I am picking these correctly yet because I'm new at gardening. But for being a new gardener, I feel like I'm doing pretty great. This is literally my first season gardening and our first season at the ranch, Houston. You guys will have to come by. We're having programs for kids beginning in the fall. Well, they'll be able to come over and learn how to garden and how to grow their own food so that they feel empowered in a world that can oftentimes make kids feel less than empowered, you know? So yeah, we're gonna take those guys. Good looking harvest so far. One thing I recommend is that if you live in the city of Houston, you don't go picking stuff at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but this is the only time all of us could be together, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna pinch these lavender as well. If we pinch the lavender, they just keep growing, so we're gonna go ahead and pinch them. And so we're gonna take those little guys. We have a lot of mint, and mint can be invasive, so it really needs its own spot. But we just keep picking these mints because I like making tea with mint. Mint makes for great tea. And we have some hibiscus. There's a little caterpillar on that one. If I had my gloves, I'd take it off, but I don't. It's best just to take those guys right on off. When you get home, if you have leaves with holes in them, then that means wash your stuff really well. And every time we've gone home, we've had a little snail. All right, here we go. Come on over. All right, y'all. Here are our first little peppers. They are the cutest thing I've ever seen. Look at these little guys. One has already turned red, and the other guy I think is too late. This is my first time growing Cajun bells, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one. Hopefully I don't touch anything gross. Uh-oh.
You can take.
Oh, it had a little hole. So unfortunately this guy is gonna have to go. He's not gonna make it. So we're gonna have to pay more attention to our little bells. But look at that little guy. Look at how cute he is. So we'll watch our others and keep the caterpillars off of them. Got a couple more that are almost ready. All right.
These look ready.
Let me see.
I don't know what color they're supposed to be.
They're gonna be red. So they are almost ready. We're gonna have to watch those guys every day to watch them turn red.
That one's almost.
Yeah, that one's getting really close. All right, guys, so that was our first harvest. We're gonna go pick some herbs.
Ooh.
I know, right? That was our first harvest. Thank you so much for being here with our family here at the Ranch Houston. We've got a lot of changes. We're gonna be building our boxes soon, but we wanted to get our food in the ground so that we have food for when you come visit. So by the time you come visit, things are probably gonna look really different around here. So we look forward to having you out here. We'll see you soon. Greetings, love, and peace from our family to yours. See you soon.